What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today we have the Air Force One 07 LVB EMB. EMB stands for embedded. I will show you guys the card that the shoes came with and you will know exactly what these are about. To get started, we got the Air Force One 07 LVA EMB. White, team orange, black, size 12. 13.5 women's. Retail was $110 on these bad boys. So these automatically needed to get these because I knew what they were about. I knew what they stood for. So without further ado, let's get into it. And I got these from eBay, I believe. So here's your card. As I said, it's embedded. This is the first of the series, it says. So this is gonna be an ongoing series, I guess. They're just starting it off with this one first. And there's the other side of the card, and over here it says, let's see if I get it to focus so you guys can read along with me. Basketball remains to be the supporting roots of day-to-day culture, both on and off the court. The spirit of the game is embedded in our DNA. It lives within us today through music, movies, athletes, and style. Welcome to Capsule 1 of Embedded. An appreciation for the raw energy of street ball and the endless possibilities within the game. Yeah, that's right. There you go. So this is a basketball themed shoe. So, you know, I love my basketball, so I had to get this. And with this one, we have get these out the box. Here we go, people. We got I call them the Rucker ones. There's the zip code. I don't know if many of you remember when Kobe played in the Rucker. He wore a mid-top version of this same exact colorway. So I guess to pay homage to him in a way as well. You got your little basketball lace stays, I guess? Not lace stay, I don't know. It's like an emblem. I forgot what these are called. Sheesh. Well, inside you got the court in there, as you can see with Nike Air. You see the little court. And you got your tongue that has the mesh. The swoosh is like a really nice fine leather. I mean, it's an Air Force. You've seen one, you've seen them all, but this was just one I needed to get and wanted to have just because of that Rucker tie with Kobe Bryant and everything like that. I think it was really cool. It's a really cool touch. Nike Air in the back. In your orange inner. Again, the little lace. Dubré, the lace Dubré in the basketball orange as well. And your swoosh has that pebbled leather look to it. And then, like I said, your outsole is also orange. So just a quick review for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.